Hello there. I have been browsing the internet and I've come across this amazing website. It's called Cattree UK, CATTREE.UK. And I came across this article here about them being the king of cat trees. And I have to say, I've never seen cat trees quite as impressive as this. I've got a Maine Coon myself, and finding something that's really strong and sturdy and something that's not going to bend or flex is actually been very, very difficult. I used to purchase a lot of my cat trees from, the Amazon or Pets at Home, but this website is unbelievable because, as you can see here, they've got some of the strongest cat trees that I've ever seen in my life. I mean, look at this, the Maine Coon Fantasy Cat Tree. This really is incredible. They are a little bit more expensive, as you can see. This one is £279, but I suppose, like with anything, you do tend to get what you pay for with these things. And I mean, comparing this to, there's another company I've researched called Tigger Towers, whose cat trees sell for about £600-700 for about half the size. This really is incredible value for money, and something that I would like to think is going to last for a long time. The hammocks are really, really impressive as well. They've got these kind of, cushioned effect, and everything just looks amazing. So, I'm going to leave a link in the description for this website. It's called cattree.uk, and definitely go check them out. If you've got a cat and, a few pounds to spare and want to give them something really, really exciting and special and something that's going to last for years, then this website has everything you possibly need. They've got ceiling bridges, they've got floor-to-ceiling cat trees, they've got almost anything you can imagine. These are the ceiling bridges here. They really are amazing, and a website like this has been a long time coming because it's been very hard to find really good high-quality products at very good prices. So go and take a look, link in the description, and hope you find something for your feline friend as well. Just like me, I'm off to buy my cat tree now. Take care.